Hi, it's Lizzie here with Dine at Hope to talk to you guys all about the Get Mobile app. This app is perfect for you to use it as an extension of your student account, so that way you can manage your balance, your dining dollars, and so much more, all to help you order meals and snacks from the Klutz Market when you are on the run and you don't have time to go to Phelps or cook. Download the Get app, select Hope College, and sign in using your student or faculty credentials. Your username will be your Hope College email minus the @hope.edu, while your password will be whatever you are currently using to sign into your campus email. After that, you may set a security PIN or use facial recognition to quickly get mobile going forward. From there, you will be able to see your personal information where you can add funds, review transactions, or set retail location favorites. If you're currently enrolled in Campus Meal Plan, you should have both Meal Plan and self-funded dining dollar balances. Under the Accounts tab, you can take it even further by scheduling auto deposits or even requesting funds from your family and friends. To add funds, input a valid credit or debit card, then select your self-funded dining dollars to begin. When ready, choose the amount to add and select Deposit. You will receive an email to your Hope account acknowledging this transaction. When ordering, you can always save your favorite retail locations to your home screen by checking the star next to each vendor. Please note, if you're enrolled in the Beverage Club, Breakfast Club, or receive daily snack benefits, you will have instant access to these vendors, so make sure to take advantage of all your meal plan perks. A great option when placing a general order from Klutz Market is the ability for future pickup. If you'd like your meal fulfilled right away, simply use ASAP as your pickup time and tap Continue. When finished selecting your meal or snack, tap View Cart to review your order. A wonderful bonus is your 10% discount when using dining dollars at participating locations. Remember, meal plan funded dining dollars expire at the end of each semester, so make sure to use those first. If everything looks right, simply tap Place Order and get ready to eat. To review your pickup time, explore your most recent transactions, and get a feel for when you should head over to the Klutz. You should also receive an email confirming your purchase. Picking up your order is super easy. Simply find the mobile pickup rack located in the center of the Klutz Market where your meal will be placed. Make sure to double check the name on each order to avoid accidentally taking the wrong items with you. Thanks to the Get app, it is so much easier to eat on campus and track your spending on the go if you are always wanting to do that like I am. This is a great way to enhance your student experience while you are eating on campus and dining at Hope College. So download the Get Mobile app now.